Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Fauzan ar-rafii. I live in Kuyang, Masaran, Sragen. I went to University Tunas Pembangunan and I majored civil engineering. Okay, here I will explain and maybe it will vlog irrigation or dams Tritonadi in Surakarta. The city of Surakarta, or better known as the city of Solo, general is a lowland with an average height positive 92 meters above sea level. In the city there is a meeting of several rivers including Pepe, Wet Elephant and Never Time. The Tritonadi Dams itself is one of the work and the Surakarta Flood Management Project, which aims to reduce the risk of inundation in the Kliwon and Jebres Market districts. The project began in 20,060 and finished 20,080 with cost 121 million. Wow.
In the past, the dam was 20 meters wide, and after it was made, the dam was enlarged to 60 meters. In the dry season, the dam gate is closed, so that it can hold 1 million meter cubic of water, and vice versa. In the rainy season, it will be opened with a water capacity of 1048 per second.
Hello, I'm welcome operated for
walk 14058.
It's so great to be a part of this and it's so exciting.
In the dark of night, the stars light up the sky. We see them flying free. That's just like you and me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You are not alone, we're family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality. You are my symphony. By your side, we have unity. You are my energy, my guiding light. We are unity. We are unity. We are unity. Although the rain might pour, a thunder starts to roar. The lightning wakes the wave, but through it we are brave. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You are not alone, we are family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality. You are my symphony. By your side, we have unity. You are my energy, my guiding light. We are unity.
Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.